In this video, I will show you how to make beeswax wrap. Beeswax wrap is an eco-friendly alternative to cling wrap or plastic saran wrap. The things needed are parchment paper, cotton fabric, pinking shears, a block of beeswax, a grater, an iron, and pine resin powder. You take a piece of cotton fabric and cut its edges using pinking shears. You take parchment paper and fold it in half. You place the fabric on the parchment paper. You grate beeswax onto the fabric. Spread the grated beeswax evenly on the fabric. Spread the pine resin powder evenly on the fabric. Put another layer of parchment paper on the fabric. Set the iron on a high heat and iron on the parchment paper. The heat from the iron will help melt the wax. And the fabric will soak up the melted wax. Lift the parchment paper and quickly lift the fabric. In a couple of seconds, the melted wax will kind of harden. The beeswax wrap is now ready to be used. The beeswax wrap can be used to cover half-cut fruit or vegetable. The heat from your palms will help the wrap stay in place. Thank you.